Welcome to Hello Future. Today, we're diving into a world that's merging technology and creativity in astonishing ways. AI-generated art. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just curious about digital innovations, this video promises to take you on a captivating journey through the evolution, impact, and future possibilities of AI art. Imagine a scenario where machines not only assist in the creative process, but also inspire artists worldwide. From stunning visuals created by algorithms to tools that aid in artistic decision-making, AI art is changing the way we view creativity and expression. We'll explore how platforms like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are leading this revolution, providing creators with an unprecedented range of methods to bring their visions to life. We're talking about artworks that were once only possible in the depths of human imagination, now made reality by innovative algorithms. As we unravel this topic, let's discuss the technology behind AI art. Neural networks, deep learning, and image synthesis form the backbone of this phenomenon. AI learns from thousands of images, picking up on patterns, styles, and techniques. This process not only streamlines artistic creation, but also challenges the very definition of art. Can a piece generated by a machine evoke the same emotional response as a painting made by human hands? This is where the debate begins. We'll also delve into the ethical implications surrounding AI-generated art. With the rise of such technology come questions about authenticity, copyright, and the value of human creativity. Are we diminishing the soul of art by relying on machines? As we navigate through this intricacy, we will hear perspectives from artists who have embraced this technological shift, incorporating AI into their work, and those who remain skeptical. As we continue, we'll take a moment to show you stunning examples of AI artwork that have garnered widespread attention, pieces that not only amaze but also provoke thought. You'll witness the diverse range of styles and genres created through these algorithms, showcasing how AI can mimic everything from classical paintings to abstract forms. This is not just a showcase. It's a testament to how innovation can fuel artistic exploration. Towards the end of our exploration, we'll look at the future of AI in art. What lies ahead for creators and technology enthusiasts? Will AI become a standard tool in every artist's toolkit, or will it spark a new renaissance, reviving traditional methods? The future is bright and filled with possibilities, inviting speculation and excitement about the collaboration between human intuition and machine efficiency. Stick around as we wrap up with a thought-provoking discussion on how to balance these advancements with our human touch. We want to hear from you. How do you envision the future of art in a world where AI plays an increasingly prominent role? Will you embrace it or chart your own course through traditional pathways? Your view matters, and we invite you to join the conversation. Thank you for joining us on this visionary journey into the realm of AI art. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future content on the intersections of technology, creativity, and innovation.